Hi everyone, today this video is for my chemistry element project, and the element I choose for this time is gold. Today I'm gonna introduce you guys the general information about gold and the history of gold and how we humans use the gold and its importance. So first, general information. Gold has atomic number 79, atomic mass 196.97, and its location on the periodic table is on period 6 and group 11. Gold's common charge is +1, and its only common isotope is Au-197. Although Au-197 is gold's only common isotope, it still has some radioisotopes such as Au-194 and Au-199, but they are not stable enough to be counted as common isotope. Also, gold can find as solid in hard rock veins or quartz rocks. This slide is just showing gold's Bohr model and its location on the periodic table. So as we can see in the picture on the right side, gold is in the 5D group on the table, and in the picture on the left side, we can see that gold has 6 rings in its Bohr model. And now we are gonna talk about history of gold. Since we started to use gold really early in our human history, there's no clear data to show when do we first use gold. However, we can know that the artists in Chalcolithic or Bronze Age used gold as material to make jewelry and decorations, and later gold spread to Egypt, Greece, Rome, and European countries, serve as currency or decorations. As a valuable metal, gold usually engaged with the events of power and wealth in the history, such as war or gold rush. And the gold rush of 1849 is one of the most famous gold rush in the history. The gold rush of 1849 was from 1848 to 1855. It was basically happening in California. A man called James Wilson Marshall discovered the gold resources in California, and he is the man in the picture on the right side. This picture is just showing the scene in gold pits in the gold rush of 1849. The gold rush of 1849 is quite an important event in the American history for two reasons. The first reason is that it attracts a lot of immigrants from all over the world, and it helped the California's population growth, eventually made California a state. The other reason is gold production. The gold production in the gold rush of 1849 is always high, and it also peaked in 1852, which produced $2 billion in that year. The higher gold production helped the American economy at that time point. So now we are looking at my current event. My current event is the extraction of gold is destroying the rainforest in Peru since 2000s. After the building of highway in Peru was finished, it opened the central part of the rainforest to all of the people in Peru, and it attracts some people to do artisanal scale gold mining in the central part of the rainforest. Artisanal scale gold mining is a kind of mining that doesn't require any heavy and large machine to process. Although the artisanal scale gold mining doesn't require a large machine, it's still destroying the environment badly. It has already destroyed over 170,000 acres of land in the rainforest since 2000s. And the picture on the right is the enter of gold pits in the rainforest. So this picture is the aerial picture of the rainforest. As we can see in the picture, a lot of parts of land doesn't have any vegetation on it, and it's also kind of dry, and it's all caused by the artisanal scale gold mining in the central part of the rainforest. And now we are going to talk about the uses and importance of gold. We usually use gold in 5 fields, and the first field is in economy. Gold serves as a valuable metal in our economy. Although there's no country using gold as their currency now in the world, the government still stores gold in their government bank because gold will not devalue like the currency will. The second field that use gold is jewelry. We usually use gold as the decoration or material to make our jewelry. The third field is in technology. We usually use gold to make transmitter in computers and phones. The fourth field is in medicine. We can add gold in medicine as nanoparticles, and I will explain it later more in my current event. The fifth use of gold is in the space. Scientists add a gold layer in astronauts' helmets to filter out the IR radiation in the space, so it can protect the astronauts' eyes. So here comes our other current event. This current event is basically about adding gold nanoparticle in our medicine. So according to the recent research, some scientists find out that adding gold nanoparticles in our medicine can help transport vaccines to our B cells by increasing the speed of transportation. The scientists think that it can be applied in oncology and other study of disease to increase the human welfare. And the blue picture on the right side is B cells, and the yellow picture on the right side is our gold nanoparticles. And now we are going to talk about a gold controversy. Since gold is a really safe and stable element, like it doesn't kill people and it doesn't have any poison, the only controversy about gold is how we get gold. The blood gold problem is an illegal gold mining in Africa and South America. It's illegal because they often use a lot of child labor and cause over extraction. During the blood gold extraction process, they often kill a lot of child laborers and they don't pay them well, and they often destroy the environment badly. As we can see in the picture on the left side, 2 child laborers are working in the gold pit. This picture is showing that a lot of blood gold extraction is controlled by an army. The army will force people to do their works, and that's the reason why it causes a lot of people to die and the over extraction. This is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching.